Hello everyone and happy Friday. For today's lesson I want to talk about pronouns again, so using he, she, and they, as well as our helping verb has and have. So last time we talked about the copular verb is and are. So today we'll switch it up. Again, this would kind of be a step above. There's more pronouns that we could talk about in the future, but again, working our way up there, okay? So if your child is still struggling with using the verbs is and are that we talked about last time, you can continue to just work on that. Usually once my friends have demonstrated that they at least have a understanding of those concepts, then I'll move on to using has and have. But at least giving them a little exposure is always good too. So for this one, I have attached a different handout for you. It specifically has pictures of different items that they will identify that a person owns. So for example, it looks like this. There's two different sets. One set that has words written on the bottom. Now some of your children are able to read, and that might just give them the answer of what they need to utilize. So there's also different ones that have no words written on them. So for instance, this would be for using they, and there's nothing written on the bottom. So some of your children might need to have those clues of, oh, this one has the S in it, so we say has. This one has the V in it, so we say have. And again, there are pictures along with it. So again, if you want to cut them out and then use the actual activity, placing the items into the corresponding boxes and then talking about what he or she has or what they have, great. If you want to just point to an item and say, this belongs to the boy, and then have the child start with he has a butterfly, or say the children own a flower, and then have them give you the sentence they have a flower. So again, some of your children might need visuals, so you might need to use a reference like we talked about in the last one. So he has a butterfly, or they have a flower. And again, pairing those visuals with some of those students is really helpful. So have fun working on that activity with them. Again, we'll talk about different pronouns later on, but these ones are using he, she, they, and then the helping verb has and have. And just like we talked about last time, utilize books, maybe look at pictures of people, maybe like photographs, and ask, oh, I see a ball on that picture. Who owns that ball? And then having them identify he has a ball, or whoever's in the picture. So again, you can utilize items around the house. No need to go printing things if you don't want to. Trying to generalize it to everyday activities. So, all right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.